Hello everyone, how are you today? It's your girl Irama Moses. Today, what are we doing today? We are doing eyebrows tutorials. So in this video, I am going to show you how you would do your eyebrows, and we will do some contour after that. So in this season that we are in, you don't need full makeup. All that you need is your eyebrows, because we cover our nose and our mouth as we put on masks every day. So all that you have to focus is your eyebrows. So that's why I've taken my time to go through with you how to do your eyebrow for the beginners. Yeah, so let's start. What do we have here? These are our equipment. You start by brushing your eyebrows to make sure you see. And what are we using? I am using a brown pencil. Can you see that? I'm using waterproof one. This is the one that I am using. I hope you can see. I will start by drawing the line. Can you see that? We have to get our line straight. And we will do the same here. Then we bring it to the top. Guys, our next step, all that you need is your contour and your flat. Can you see how flat my brush look? You need your flat brush. So the color that I am going to use is this color. If you can see, I'm going to use this color because I want my contour to look very nice. But if you want your contour, if I don't want the contour to show, normally I use the dark brown. But today I'm using this one particular, so I will just dip in my brush. Then you take your time, like the way you use the pencil to draw. That's the same way you go. You take your time to draw. Can you see that? To get the nice shape. The reason why we do the contour helps your eyebrows to show. That's why I prefer to use contour. It makes your eyebrow nice and neat. Can you see that? It's like you are tracing your eyebrow. The same line you use for them. You use for your eyebrow is the same line you will use, or you can go like this. I hope you can see. I hope you guys can see. You can use the same, or you can go like this way as well. As I told you that if your eyebrow is big, you can use this to shape it. Can you see that? Because at the moment I'm just trying to use the contour to minimize the size of my eyebrow. Can you see that? You can either use brush or you use the foam to just make sure you tidy around your eyebrows nicely, like this way. Can you see? You have to blend it very well. Let me do one side so that you will know the way I normally do mine. Or you can use brush if you think you are going to clean your eyebrow. It's better you use brush. If you want to use a brush to do that, I use this particular one. Then you will use your banana powder. I hope everyone knows banana powder. That's what I'm using. You dip your brush in banana powder to fade the front of your eyebrows. Use this to fade the front of your eyebrow. I'm going to do the same here. This is the banana powder that I use. You just dip in your brush and you just use it to fade the front of your eyebrows. Then I have this here, eyebrows gel. I'm going to use that one so that the front bit will look more nice. It also gives it some special look. That's why I prefer to use it. It gives you a nice look. So where we have reached now, you will use your, can you see that? You will use your foundation. What we are going to do is that we will use your foundation, the foundation that you use. This is the one that I use. So this is my color. I will use that one to just, so that you can see the contour that I use is too much on my forehead. So I will use this to get my natural color. I will use this to get my natural color. If you want to do some eyeshadow as well, the next video I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow as well for beginners. So can you see that? Now our contour is looking nice. Can you see that? You don't have to use the foundation all over. You have to let people see your contour so that they will see the beauty of your eyebrow. So can you see that? Then maybe you make sure you cover These are the bits that you need to cover. You can apply your eyeshadow after this, but I'm not going to do that because you are going to put on marks. So all that you need to go, then you put on your marks. Then you make sure, you see, all that you need is your eyebrows. Can you see that? Then you are good to go, guys. This is what I bring for you this morning. I hope you enjoy this and you go ahead and practice this as well. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Guys, can you see that? Then you are good to go. You don't need foundation. The foundation will mess up your mask. So all that you need is you focus on your eyebrow. Then you are ready to go, either to work, to wherever you are going. That's it. At least in this season that we are in this pandemic, you don't need full makeup. All that you need is your eyebrow. And if you are somebody that you love eyeshadow, you can apply your eyeshadow as well. But what I'm going to do in the next video, we are going to do the eyebrow and we will apply some eyeshadow as well. Guys, I will leave you here. Thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. Can you see that? Then you are ready to go. Thank you.